It happened right here as we tested structure resistance. Price versus well money flow was in the middle, and as soon as it began moving up, we saw a significant move up in price to retest the structure resistance again. This is where breakouts happen. Keep in mind, at that time, the trades in favor was actually in the middle of its chart too, so this could actually be a bullish reading. But watch out, because the same is true for the downside. Bitcoin has created a new high for 2023 as of today, but it struggles to maintain this level. With that in mind, are we actually going to end up breaking through and up towards as high as $39,600, or are we going to reject this resistance and head back down? We're going to explore this in this video using the best data we have to offer, so stay tuned. And let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving yesterday. Now, this may be a controversial opinion, but I'm actually not a big fan of turkey, so my brother and I ended up smoking a brisket for about 6 hours. It was absolutely incredible. We had a lot of fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you did for Thanksgiving, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We are so excited to trade with you. If you head into the description of the video you're watching right now, you caught our Black Friday sale in the nick of time. It is the last day to get up to 80% off our indicators. You could do that at the first link. You could join our 97 win, 0 loss trade call strategy with daily crypto metrics and our $1 million profit account strategy with our membership at the second link. And you could join our alert Telegram channel for free at the third link. Before we jump into the analysis, I have a couple of announcements. First up, there is a brand new future forecast video out. Use this spreadsheet for every buy or sell you make from now on. It could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. What Travis has to share with you in this video is going to be one of the most important spreadsheets you will want to keep throughout your entire crypto journey. This spreadsheet for some of you will be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Do not miss out on this future forecast video. This is members only content that comes out every Tuesday and Friday as we embark on our $1 million 400% profit crypto challenge. Don't miss our next trade setup. Right here we have 97 wins, 0 losses with 7 active trades you can join right now. And you have only 9 hours left on our massive Black Friday 80% off Black Friday sale. I'll show you more about that. You're going to want to snag a membership at the links in the description down below. And keep in mind, price increases are coming soon, so do not miss out on our crazy membership discount as well. With that, we're heading into the live charts. Today is going to be a little bit different. I think there's a lot of analysis we need to go through on the live charts here. So as of right now, I'm trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder breakout detector, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now, these are what we've used to earn 97 wins, 0 losses on our membership scalping trades. So keep that in mind as we go through this analysis. As I said in the intro, we've created a brand new high for 2023. And if I grab a line real quick, we can see exactly what that value is. It looks like we hit $85,454 before moving back down, rejecting the resistance at $37,999. In order for a breakout to happen, we need to see a candle open and close above that $37,999 line. And if we do, it's almost certain that we're going to move all the way up to $39,600. And from the current price, this would be a move of just over 4%, nearly 5% in fact. Now, at this time, the price versus well money flow and trades in favor are in the middle of their charts. This is a fairly neutral reading and tells us it really could go either way. Essentially, what we're watching for here is if price versus well money flow shows well money moving into the market. If this green line goes up, this is where we're likely to see a breakout to the upside. It happened right here as we tested structure resistance. Price versus well money flow was in the middle, and as soon as it began moving up, we saw a significant move up in price to retest the structure resistance again. This is where breakouts happen. Keep in mind, at that time, the trades in favor was actually in the middle of its chart too, so this could actually be a bullish reading. But watch out, because the same is true for the downside. If whales begin moving money out of the market, this is likely we're going to see a crash, possible retest, and breakthrough of this previous structure resistance. If that's the case, we could move as far down to structure support here at $34,000. And for now, I'm going to take away that $31,000 structure support. I just don't think that's nearly as likely at this point. No matter what happens, though, it's going to come soon. Check this out. If we open up the breakout detector, Bitcoin is very, very near the breakout zone here. As soon as we cross below it, just as we saw back here, right here, right here, right here, right here, this is where we're seeing big, crazy, volatile moves in the market. And in fact, The last few times this happened right here, we saw massive pumps up, correlated right there. Breakout zone right here, crazy move back to the upside, and these last two brought us to where we are today. So if we get yet another move down to the breakout zone and we're seeing more bullish readings, like say the breakout zone with price versus well money flow showing well money moving into the market, this is very likely to break to the upside, once again to that $39,600 level. A break to the downside is equally imminent. Once again, price versus well money flow moves down. This is where you're seeing drops to $34,000. It can be very tough to call the market, honestly, through neutral readings, and that's why we pay very close attention to the price versus well money flow at these times. Now, none of this is financial advice, but this is what we've used to be so successful in our trades. We as retail traders simply cannot beat whales. There's a reason they're called the market makers, and if you can't beat them, join them. That's why we use the price versus well money flow, and if you combine that with market momentum, showing where the momentum of the market is actually going to go and when it's exhausted as we hit long trade or short trade zones, this is a very potent combination. This will tell you very nearly when we're likely to see big moves. Combine that with a breakout zone reading, you know that is going to be a huge move. And last but not least, if you get a sell or strong sell signal, I think that's going to be important moving forward. If we move up and see a sell signal, that's likely to reject this structure resistance and move back down. The opposite is true. If we drop and bounce off structure support, a buy signal would significantly increase our chances of move back up. So a combination of indicators to show where the market is likely to go, an indicator to show you how big the move is going to be, and an indicator to tell you the exact time a move is about to happen. You really can't go wrong. These indicators are insanely accurate, and they're going to help you trade even if you're not at your computer. Check this out. We're going to go to the alerts tab and make sure you're on the 1-day time frame here with Bitcoin USD. What you're going to do is click create alert, switch this to the TC top and bottom finder, select I'm going to call it a sell signal this time around because we're actually looking for a move back down. Click once per bar close and name it. Bitcoin 1-day sell, click create, do it again. TC top and bottom finder. This time it's going to be a strong sell signal, once per bar close, name it. Bitcoin 1-day strong sell, click create. Now these two alerts are going to let you know as soon as we see either a sell or strong sell signal as we move back up in price. At this point, I think a move up to that structure resistance at $39,600 is more likely, and these two indicators are going to let you know exactly when that happens. If a sell signal pops, even if you're away from your computer, as long as you have notifications for TradingView enabled on your phone, you'll be able to act on any signals anytime, anywhere. And that's not all this indicator can do. Check this out. I'm going to delete these drawings. What we're going to do is actually enable a couple of settings on the TC top and bottom finder. Take profit, market order, buy limit 1, and buy limit 2. So as I told you before, we have a likely 4% profit, and from the current price, that would actually surpass this take profit line. So if you want to take a trade right now, once again, I'm not telling you to, this is not financial advice. This is how we do it. I like to split my trades into 3 equal parts. The first one is going to go directly into a market order at the current price. This way I have skin in the game, so if the price does move up, I can easily hit that take profit, make my money, and set up for the next trade. From the market order, I prefer to set up a buy limit 1 and buy limit 2, putting the last 2 bits of my money in the market. This way, if the price drops instead and hits that $29,000 structure support, it's actually going to enter my second part of the trade. This would significantly reduce my break even, bringing us into profit faster, and now we have twice the amount invested in the market. It'll double my profit potential. If the price drops drastically, and I don't think this is going to happen, but you always want to be safe, if the price drops below that $20,000 level, we'll then have 3 times the amount invested, and our break even will be even lower. Once again, bringing us into profit faster with significantly more profit potential. This risk management strategy, along with these indicators, are what have earned us an insane 97 wins, 0 losses in 2023 so far. And you have just a few hours left. Do not miss out on the insane 80% off sale. This is the lowest price these indicators have ever been. You cannot afford to miss out on this. If you want to snag them, you can do so at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the indicator page. I'm going to scroll down here to show you a couple of testimonials. This person earned 16% with us using the indicators. Scroll down here. This person's up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week. Absolutely absurd. In order to get the best possible price, you're going to want to snag a membership. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one with a $250 discount. Once you have the membership, click access coupon code, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that indicator coupon code for your first $250 off. Fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, bringing your total discount to $650. Absolutely absurd. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and do not miss out on the Black Friday sale.